How to change leverage on Vantage. Now in this video, I'll show you quick procedures for you to be able to change your leverage by using Vantage. Of course, the very first thing you want to do is open up the application and make sure that you head into your dashboard and log in into your account. Now from here, there's two options where you can go. You can go ahead and start trading, or you can go directly into the account tab at the lower right. Now, next thing that you want to do is to head straight into the gear icon that will redirect you into your user settings. Now, directly from user settings under quick close, you should be able to see a leverage option and as well as your current leverage that you set up. Below that is you can go and tap on leverage change and then choose whatever leverage that you would like it to be adjusted, and to have it confirmed, just simply tap on this confirmation button below, and you just have to wait for 3 to 5 minutes for it to actively enable. And that's it. That's how you change leverage on Vantage.